Wanna reheat?
Microwave eggs are actually kind of abyss if you do them properly.
Yes, a mug egg.
Yes. With some hot sauce.
Wait, someone messaged me. The person that messaged me at 11 p.m. a Snapchat. She's like, "I was just doing some light stalking." Oh boy, what did she find out about me? Oh god, did she unearth my past? Did she unearth 2012 Fark?
That's a weird way to start a conversation. Am I right? Like, oh yeah, like I stalked you lightly. Like,
Yeah, she literally opened
what?
like I stalked. I did a little I stalked you a little bit.
Like, yeah, that's not gonna creep me out at all.
I just linked her my Twitch. I said sorry, I can't respond too much. I'm streaming, and then I linked my Twitch. Stalk this. Hey Geneva, if you're watching right now, stalk this. I just told
Stop these nuts.
I just told 15 people you were stalking me. I went on a date with this person once too, and it just didn't go well, and we just never went on another one. And now she's stalking me. Lovely. James Tyler, Sunny Skies. Voma, can you link the YouTube song? She's saying that like it's funny how like people in high school just like still keep in contact, and she's like, I cut everyone out, and like she avoided me in high school because she thought that I didn't like her, but I thought she was just normal, and she was like, no, I was such a dork, like I avoided you because like I thought you hated me, and I'm like, no, that's not the case at all, and then we ran into each other at Walmart one day, and then we just became like besties again. Well, not besties, but like we went on a date, I guess, if you call that besties. Now she's talking about stalking someone else at a car dealership. Okay, I'm ending this conversation. I'm ending this conversation. Jesus Christ.